If you're going to the cinema and you're going to watch a 3D movie, then you'll probably get a pair of these real 3D glasses. There's the packet they come in, and sealed, which is quite nice. What have we got on the back? Warning, only using 3D series, do not use as UV. Yeah, I think it's pretty sensible to kind of put in there. So this one I've actually opened earlier, and there they are. Let's have a better look at them. So they're basically pretty basic plastic glasses, real 3D brand on the side, and I guess they're polarizing lenses, and nothing very fancy. I think I paid about $1.50 for these, something like that, and they do the job very well. So yeah, if you get a pair, then if you keep them in a drawer or in the little sleeve that we had earlier, then yeah, you can use them for another trip. I saw Minecraft 3D basically, and that's why I bought these, and I would highly recommend it. Minecraft 3D movie. It's really good fun. Real 3D glasses recommended.